Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and get started with connecting Facebook Pixel with Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go there and get started logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and sign up for one. So you need an account. So once you're logged in, you are going to be greeted by the main page of your website or store that you're running with Odoo. And now we can get started connecting Facebook Pixel. Here at the top of the screen, you have the configuration tab as well as the site tab for your settings of your website. So let's go and take a look at what we need to do. As you can see right here on the official Odoo forum, somebody already asked the question how to connect Facebook Pixel to Odoo. So basically guys, you can see here we have an answer that you can add the Facebook Pixel on each website you have in your database, and it's necessary to have a business portfolio. So make sure you have a business portfolio for a website, and then what you're going to do is go and create Pixel if it's necessary, or use your existing Pixel in the meta dashboard and open up your website and click edit, and then you're going to click on design motive. This is the right upper corner. So just follow the steps. Here you have the configuration option and the site option with the menu editor where you can go ahead and open up your edit mode. You also have edit right here, and the upper right corner is going to enable you to go ahead and follow the steps right here. So open up design motive, and from here you can get started following the rest of the steps to go ahead and add Google Pixel. So find the forum for yourself and see how to go ahead and do it, to go ahead and add the pixel code to header and save it, and then you can go ahead and manage your event manager. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.